Guys, I just finished work. It's a Friday and I got Molly here today. This is my new office. Molly's in the front. Aussie just got home. He's in the garage. And we're gonna try and play a prank on him. We're gonna fight. I'm gonna kick Molly out of my house. I don't know how this is gonna go, guys. It's gonna be such a Gaia prank because I literally just thought of it in like the last 10 minutes. The battery's low, so I'm gonna go and try and look for a new battery before we do the prank. Molly.
What?
I need to look for a new battery. Oh look, it's flashing. It's flashing.
Okay.
I'm gonna go and put you guys in the car. I need a pee. Shut up.
You shut up.
Look, you're really brewing for a real fight, aren't you?
Well, I'm obviously gonna win because you're the one that's gonna be crying.
All right, guys, I'm just gonna get my voice recorder on here because I'm gonna put you guys in the car. Hey, baby. I did it. The camera is in there. I've got my voice recorder on. What's he doing? What's he doing? I'm scared, Molly. I don't know what to say.
Well, just do the level 6 book, Vicky. Hurry up, I'm gonna go. I'm peeing now too. I wanna pee.
Oh, I need to pee too. Think another day. Look, Molly, you don't need to tell me what to do. I will tell you what to do.
And then we told you to do the book. Now you have a problem doing the book.
No, I don't even have a problem doing the book.
Well, then what's taking you forever?
Because it's a bit hard. You wouldn't even be able to do the book if you were doing the book.
What do you mean? I would have finished it by now.
No, you wouldn't have. No, you wouldn't have.
If I wanted to do it, I would have done it by now. All you have to do is just
Oh, whatever. You don't even know what you're talking about.
What do you mean?
What do you mean what I mean? You always speak to me this way. You're always so rude to me.
What the hell? You're so playing. You're a good player.
And what about you? You don't have a book?
I would have done that book by now.
No, you wouldn't have.
Yes, I would have, Vicky.
No, you wouldn't have.
What do you mean I wouldn't have? You would have.
No, you wouldn't. Stop shouting. You're going to bring all the neighbours into here.
Shut up. You're just lazy, you lazy fat ass.
You're a big lazy fat ass.
You're a lazy fat ass.
You're a big lazy fat ass.
Don't hit me, idiot.
Get out of my house.
Shut up. I'm going.
Don't.
Idiot, move out of my way.
No.
I'm moving, Dad.
What are you still doing here? Just go.
What's up, you again?
You look like a big fat Oompa Loompa.
Oh, you want me to come and freaking get you then? In the car? Yeah, that's not cool. Let me take you. I'm gonna come and knock you down.
I want you to do something. Do something to her car. Just smash it with that.
outside.
Get out of my house!
Shut your mouth.
Ow!
I'll knock you on the head.
Knows. I think he knows. Because the camera's okay. How? Ow! Hey, Ossie! I bet you didn't even know, right?
Yes, it did know. Because let's go my car.
Ossie, did you know?
Yeah.
Oh, you've been pranked. What did you think, Ossie? What did you think? Tell the people. Ossie was shitting his pants.
Hey, my shit out here.
What?
No.
Wow, so rude.
Yeah, mama.
I heard Ossie. I don't know if you guys heard it on my thing. Let me turn this down. I might get copyrighted. I was like, Molly, I was like to Ossie, go take that and go smash your car. And he was like, hey, Bukio. Oh my god, you're a cracker. Guys, we're still doing up our, cleaning up our garage, which is what Ossie's doing right now.
And she said to go smash and I said, oh.
No, you didn't. You said something else, babe.
Good mind.
Yeah, good mind. You.
Then
No.
I wanna fix that problem.
Oh, okay. That's really good advice. That's really good advice. So, guys, if you liked this prank, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I mean, it's our first prank in such a long time, to be honest. It was such a last-minute thing, as you guys seen. Me and Molly were like, shooey, and we're like, yeah, let's just do it. And then, so that was the result of it. We're kind of in a rush, didn't really put too much into it. SV Squad, if you're a loyal subscriber, the code word, if you made it this far, is green. Just comment the word green at the end of your comment so that I know you are a loyal subscriber of SV Squad. Peace!